Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix Authentication Failed, Error Code 403 on Roblox. The first thing you should do when trying to change anything on your system is to check the Roblox server status. To do that, visit Roblox official status page, then see if there are any messages about server issues. Next, visit the down detector page and see if other players make the same mistake as you. If so, then the only thing you can do is wait until the server is fixed. In the absence of any server issue, then restart your PC and relaunch Roblox. Method 2. Try use Google DNS then run diagnose. Press Windows key R then type ncpa.cpl and press enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Double left-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses option and set the Google DNS for it. Click OK. Click OK. Now, right-click on your internet connection then pick Diagnose. Once done, launch Roblox and enjoy it. If not working, then restart your router. To do that, go to where your router is located. Then unplug the router's power cable. Next, wait for 1 to 3 minutes. Now, plug the power cable back in and start up your router. Once the router has finished booting, launch Roblox and check if the Authentication Failed issue is resolved. If still not working, try with another network, such as neighbor's Wi-Fi, mobile data, public internet. Method 3. Uninstall and reinstall Roblox on Microsoft Store. Open Control Panel. Select Uninstall a program. Find Roblox and uninstall it. Right here, if you don't see Roblox, go to Settings. Select Apps. Select Install Apps. Scroll down and you will see Roblox. Click on 3 dot then pick Uninstall. Now, open Microsoft Store. Navigate to search box then type Roblox and hit enter. Click on Roblox. Click Install. Once done, launch Roblox and check if the Authentication Failed issue is resolved.